It's an interesting song. I was having a Frank Zappa moment, so I come up with this weird little run, you know. And you're like, what the hell was that? And I thought, you know, I bet you could put that in a blues song. And people are like, you out of your damn mind.
Only you would think that.
Hey, Frank was a blues lover. He was, swear to God. Listen to Cosmic Debris. That is a blues song with a few little extras thrown in, that's all. So I decided to write this song and have a little fun. This is about the single most nefarious. Another thing you don't hear in a blues song is nefarious very often, but this is about the most nefarious invention ever thought up by the mind of man. I'm going to tell you all about it. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is an RWB public service announcement. You see, it has come to my attention that there's a diabolical contraption loose in the world today, just ruining the lives of all you good men and women everywhere, and you didn't even know it was there. So not only is it nefarious, but it's insidious.
Rusty using all of his syllables.
I don't get to do it very often. But anyway, like I said, there is a vile monstrosity running around amok in the world today, and you guys had no clue. No, it's not late night cable or the internet or, you know, video games or all that. That stuff's bad too, but this is far worse. No, do you really know what the most evil, diabolical, and nefarious invention ever thought up by the mind of man really is?
No, Rusty, but I'm sure you're gonna tell us.
Why, how astute of you.
Why, thank you, sir.
No, the single most evil invention ever thought up by the human mind is really the dreaded alarm clock. Now, come on, think about it. When this thing goes off, it makes you get up and go places you don't really want to go, and it makes you go do stuff you don't really necessarily want to do, and I think that's just wrong, you know? Being a musician, I'm thoroughly against mornings in the first place, so, you know, and that little box making you go do all that stuff that early, that's just evil. So I decided to start the anti-alarm clock league. Of course, when I tell people, they look at me kind of like you guys are now, but that's alright. So I thought, I know, the problem is I need a theme song, that's it. I need a theme song to get everybody on the same page. And that's how this came about. Snappy title, too. I thought about it long and hard. This is called The Alarm Clock Blues. something to make you come up with a riff like that and you fit it inside of a 4/4 blues song.
He's just crazy.
I'm not saying what. But anyway, now we're all on the same page, I think it's time that each and every one of us bring our alarm clocks together to one place and pile those nasty things up to the sky. And cover them in gasoline, kerosene, Vaseline, Valvoline, Afro-sheen.
Forget about that.
Oh, that's some nasty stuff, I'm telling you. And you all bring the marshmallows.
Marshmallows.
And you know